guys, Craig with howtopest.com. Today we're going to show you another product. This is our 1.5 inch wall injector. What these wall injectors are for, they're for situations, generally interior, maybe inside of a garage, where you're trying to get behind the wall, where you've had a problem in the past, and you know the ants, the roaches, spiders, what have you, are coming from that area, and you just want to get to where they are. So what these wall injectors do, they allow you to put a hole in that section of wall, put these plugs in like this, and then inject your choice of chemical into the wall itself. The other advantage of this is you're keeping the chemical inside the wall and not out into the open where people can get into it in your house. Typically, you're not going to put these just all over the walls in your house. You're going to have them under sinks where they don't show, under bathroom sinks, closets maybe, garages where you think you're having an issue that it's going to be kind of out of sight, out of mind. And it allows you just to have this permanent injecting tube in the wall that has a cap on it, that anytime you need to put the pesticide in there, you just pop the cap and you just use your pesticide of choice. So let's show you how they work. We've already went ahead and we've pre-drilled our holes. Now most interior walls are 16 to 24 inches on center. So typically what I recommend and how we do it in our practice is we typically put these about every 12 inches, every foot. And that doesn't mean every foot, every foot, every foot. You're typically going to put, 1 to 3 of these, maybe even one underneath the bathroom sink, depending on how large the area is. So the pre-drilled holes are there. You take the plug, you place it in, you take yourself a hammer. Sometimes they'll push right in. Generally, you're going through drywall and not plywood. This is our makeshift wall. You want to hammer them in securely. Here's our other one, 12 inches apart. Let me move this out of the way. You're going to hammer that one in completely like that. And then as you can see, they have a cap that just snaps into place like that. And then what you do is just pull it off, and you use, like I said, your chemical of choice. And we're going to give you the chemicals we recommend and the ones we use that are great for wall injectors. So let's turn this thing around and show you the back. This is what it's going to look like on the back that you're not going to see, but this is what it looks like when it's inside your wall. And these have grabs on them, so they can't just easily be pulled back out. They can come out if you need to permanently get them out and patch and move on. But as far as them staying in there, they're there until you actually give them a little nug and pull them out of there, or snug, I should say. So what we have here is our puffer duster. Usually on the puffer duster, the ones we have right here that we're showing you, they're see-through. We generally just fill them about halfway full, which may be hard to see right now. And then you want to shake them up really well before you put them in or you use them. You pull your cap off, place it to the side, and I'm going to show you how this looks coming through the wall. So after you've shaken it up, you just put it up to your hole right there, your injector, and you squeeze. And you can see how the dust goes in there. The dust is made to go into the wall and float. So when you put it in, it's going to go through here and it's just going to float. What I like to do to make sure it's working properly is I like to put a little bit of dust on my finger. I like to lick it and make sure it's working well. Okay guys, disclaimer real fast. This is all-purpose flour. This is also a never used before puffer duster. So no comments on we're eating pesticide or we're not in the proper gear. We understand that, and that's why we're using flour. Another good choice is tempered ready to spray. Also a product we have on our website. We're not going to spray this one because this is a chemical, but as you can see, the nozzle is just going to go into the wall. You're going to shake the can well, and you're going to give it a couple squirts inside the wall. It's going to leave a residual in the wall, so that's the good thing about that. The two dusts that we do recommend though are Delta Dust. Insecticide has a broad range control of different types of bugs, insects that you may be having, and then Seismic, Size X. So another one we recommend is Seismexa. Another one we recommend is Seismexa. Okay guys, so once again, another great product at howtopest.com. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at howtopest.com or give us a call. We'd be happy to help. Thank you very much.